going to show you exactly how to go live on TikTok. So first of all, you have to open the TikTok application on your mobile. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application on your mobile and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and you will see this plus icon. If you tap on this plus icon and then click on where it says live, and then of course click on go live. But if you don't have this function, then keep watching because I will show you how to fix it. So to try to fix this issue, what you have to do is we have to go back to TikTok profile and then tap on these three bars, click on settings and privacy. Now we need to scroll down and then tap on this report a problem. Then when you are here, and then you have to click on this live and then click on where it says I can't start the live, and from here you have to tap on no and tap on this need more help. So in here you will need to write something like this. So you have to type something like this: I can't access the live function on TikTok, please fix this issue for me, because it's quite an important function for my TikTok. And after doing this, just tap on this submit button. Basically what will happen now is that a person that worked for TikTok will look at what you wrote and then they will make a decision if you can have the live function or not. Hopefully this will fix your issue. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.